What's the difference between a citizen and a permanent resident?
Quite a few, pero
Yeah.
as a person of as a individual, hindi mo makikita yung impact na yun eh. Makikita mo yung impact ng citizenship pag madalas ka mag-travel. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply ng visa to other countries. Pero may countries na hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply ng visa pag may
alam ko halos
may
naman yata eh.
Canadian passport ka na,
Pag
which
blue passport.
Yeah, which is the citizenship. Sa PR, kailangan mo pa mag-apply kasi kung ano yung resident mo where you were born, yun yung citizenship mo. Right? And then voting rights. You don't have rights to vote if you're PR.
Hindi rin.
Sa citizens you do. Pangalawa nun, yung pag citizen ka, ito yung isang malaking advantage ng citizenship is pag na-stranded ka sa isang country, let's say kumari yung COVID, yung pandemic, lahat ng mga Canadian citizen na stranded sa country kasi nagkaroon ng lockdown.
Parang yung sa China nun, no? Yung nangyari.
Oo. Ang government ng Canada, responsible siya para kunin ka.
Kasi yung ginawa nila nun, parang sinundo nila, di ba? Yung mga citizens sa China, nung nag-start pa lang yung pandemic.
That's all government. That's one of the good privilege becoming a Canadian citizen.
Yun.
So ngayon naman, pag PR ka, doon ka. You're on your own.